The potatoes are peeled and ready. So now we'll start by cutting 3 potatoes into sticks, that's around 330 grams. And now let's wash the potato sticks nicely before using them. That's 3 potatoes cut into nice even sticks, about 330 grams. Half teaspoon bottle masala. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Half teaspoon coriander powder. 1 sachet of Maggi masala magic. And 1/4 cup of corn flour.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now into the potatoes we'll add coriander powder, Maggi masala magic, Kashmiri red chilli powder, salt, cumin powder, bottle masala, and corn flour. Now mix everything well. Now let's heat some oil for deep frying and carefully add potato sticks one by one into the hot oil. Now fry the potato sticks on medium-high heat until they turn golden. And our delicious potato sticks are ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!